Join me as I dive deep into my heart and take on the challenge of discovering what I truly desire in life. In today's world, we're constantly fed messages telling us what we should want, what we should strive for, and what we should be. But in the midst of all this noise, it's easy to lose touch with what our hearts truly desire. Understanding what we want is essential for personal growth and fulfillment. When we're aligned with our desires, we feel motivated, inspired, and fulfilled. But when we're not, we can feel lost, stagnant, and unfulfilled. Many of us struggle to identify our true passions and desires amidst the chaos of societal expectations and distractions. We're often conditioned to follow a certain path, pursue a certain career, or achieve a certain status. And before we know it, we're living someone else's dream instead of our own. I know people who have spent years chasing a career that was supposed to bring them success and happiness, only to realize they're miserable and unfulfilled. Others have gotten stuck in relationships that were supposed to bring them love and companionship, only to feel trapped and unhappy. We're constantly bombarded with messages telling us what we need to be happy, what we need to be successful, and what we need to be fulfilled. And it's easy to get caught up in the hype, to buy into the ideals and expectations of others. But the truth is, what brings happiness and fulfillment to someone else might not be the same for us. We need to quiet the noise, tune into our hearts, and listen to our deepest desires. The problem is, many of us don't know how to do that. We don't know how to tune into our hearts, how to listen to our desires, or how to identify what truly makes us happy. And that's why it's so important to take the time to explore our own desires, to get to know ourselves, and to understand what truly drives us. One of the most powerful ways to uncover our heart's true desires is through journaling. By taking the time to reflect on our thoughts, feelings, and experiences, we can gain clarity on what truly matters to us. Meditation is another powerful tool that can help us quiet the mind and tune into our heart. When we take the time to slow down, breathe deeply, and focus inward, we can tap into our deepest desires and intuition. Self-reflection is also a powerful practice that can help us identify our values, our passions, and our desires. Through journaling, meditation, and self-reflection, we can begin to uncover our heart's true desires. We can start to identify what truly makes us happy, what truly fulfills us, and what truly gives us a sense of purpose. And when we do, we can start to make choices that align with our desires, rather than against them. We can start to say yes to the things that bring us joy and fulfillment, and no to the things that drain us. I remember a time in my life when I was feeling stuck and unfulfilled. I was doing everything I thought I was supposed to be doing, but I felt empty inside. I felt like I was living someone else's dream instead of my own. And it wasn't until I took the time to quiet the noise, tune into my heart, and listen to my desires that I started to feel truly alive. I started to say yes to the things that brought me joy, and no to the things that didn't. And it was liberating. When we recognize and pursue our true desires, it can be truly transformative. We can feel more alive, more inspired, and more fulfilled. We can start to live a life that truly reflects who we are, what we value, and what we desire. And that's when the magic happens. That's when we start to feel truly happy, truly fulfilled, and truly alive. So, I want to leave you with a challenge today. Take the time to quiet the noise, tune into your heart, and listen to your desires. Take the time to explore what truly makes you happy, what truly fulfills you, and what truly gives you a sense of purpose. Because when you do, you'll start to live a life that truly reflects who you are, what you value, and what you desire. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you've got a story to share about discovering your true desires, please leave it in the comments below. And if you want to explore more videos on personal development, be sure to check out my other content.